What's up, FabFit fam? Welcome to another Vlogmas. So today we're gonna be doing a lot of fun stuff. Well, right now I'm feeding this little guy. I always need to feed him before I go so he doesn't like fuss or anything, and so he's well fed. But yeah, we got a couple of things in mind to do today. I'll probably stop by Pier 1 and see if I can grab some like last minute things. And then I have a very exciting announcement. I'm gonna be showing you guys the final result of my apartment. So I'll be doing a little tour of my apartment, Christmas themed. What you guys will notice is my apartment is just for my little family and I. Yeah, it's really small and cozy, and I was thinking about it the other day that even our dining room table is not made for guests or anything. It's just made for us. We've lived like in a studio apartment before, so we've always liked, you know, like a smaller space. But yeah, it kind of keeps it homey and keeps everyone united, so I really like that feeling. He's all dressed and ready to go. Look at you. Oh my goodness. Mama dressed you up, baby. I'm gonna show you my apartment tour right now. This is the final result with everything decorated. Alright, so this is my living area. Okay, so starting off with this lamp, I got this lamp from a garage sale, one of my mom's neighbor. And then this entrance table, it used to belong to my mom. So over here, I got my Christmas decor. I got this vase also from a garage sale. And it matches the mirror so well, so this was perfect. I don't know, I didn't really plan for it to come out like that, but it did, and now I'm glad it did. And then this is my pretty like glass oil diffuser, and it kind of looks like a salt lamp. All right, so this is what our Christmas tree looks like right now. I'm loving it. It's blue themed because this year is baby boy's first Christmas, so I thought to make it blue. And over here I have this really pretty, beautiful frame with some affirmations I like to read. So over on this side is my beautiful couch, which is also secondhand. So I'm not sure where it's originally from, but the cool thing is, I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so the cool thing is, if you are looking for the same exact couch, Pier 1 has one that looks like that. So I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah. And then here on the side, all right, so that's my sister and me, and this is baby Jesus Christmas decor and some kids book here. Here's gonna be his little reading corner. And this chair, this is pretty cool. One of our friends gave us this, and this is literally 50 years old. So I was thinking about revamping it, but I'm probably gonna keep it like this just because it looks cute, and it, you know, it keeps the age going. And here at the top I have a frame of my first picture, of baby's first picture. And then some books here, family photos, magazines. And then this little sofa is originally from IKEA, and this wooden table is from Pier 1. So over on this side, we have my dining room. So this is how it looks like. This table is from IKEA, and I have another quote frame up here. Don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle. I love that one. And grateful. All right, and this is where the magic happens, where the food happens. And so this is how it looks like right now. It's a little messy. All right, so right off the kitchen is our bedroom. So this is how it's looking like right now. I have a long mirror right there. This nightstand I painted, which you guys seen in my like room makeover. And yep, so here I got a diaper pail and our computer and this bassinet. Off to the side right here is our walk-in closet, which I turned into a changing room. So it's super cute. Here I have some stuffed animals, little monkey hanging from right there, a little giraffe, and all his little clothes. Look how cute this is. This is 3 months, so I can't wait for him to wear that. He's gonna look so cute. Yeah, so that's about it for my apartment tour. Oh, I have to show you guys the bathroom. So this is what the bathroom looks like. This home believes. I got that little frame from Hobby Lobby. Yeah. So yeah, I really love this bathroom. I still have to put these frames up, but I love how this bathroom was done. It's really pretty. So I have to show you guys. This is my favorite. This is probably my favorite space in the house because it is so huge. There's a lot of space in here and I love it. I take really long showers in there. So yeah, this is it for my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. And I'll see you in my next vlog.